Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for classic stuffing. This stuffing makes a great side dish for the holidays or for any meal, or you can stuff it inside a protein like pork or chicken. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the stuffing, you are going to need 1 small onion diced, 2 stalks of celery diced, about half a cup of carrots diced. This is going to provide a nice little sweetness to the stuffing. We're going to go with 1.5 teaspoons of our poultry seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, about 6 cups of breadcrumbs, I prefer fresh, 2 tablespoons of parsley, a tablespoon of sage, thyme, rosemary, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and about 3 to 4 cups of chicken stock. In our saute pan, we have some butter melted. We're gonna go in with our onions, our carrots, and our celery, and we're gonna saute this up for about 7 to 8 minutes until they're soft and tender. Now we're gonna season with a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna go in with our garlic. We're gonna wanna cook this for about another minute. This is smelling delicious. The vegetables are perfect. Now let's head over to the cutting board and finish assembling this. Now we're into our bread cubes. We're gonna go in with our vegetables, our herbs, our poultry seasoning. We're gonna give this a toss. Be careful, the vegetables are a little hot. Get this well combined. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna go in with our chicken stock. Now we want this to be wet but not soggy, so use your judgment. We want to get it all well coated. Nope, a little bit more on this. Alright, that looks perfect. Now let's give this a little taste to adjust seasoning. I could eat that. Go a little bit more pepper and salt. Always taste. Give this another little mix. We're gonna take this and place it into our baking dish. We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes covered. And then we're gonna uncover it and go for another 10 minutes to get that nice crispy top that we all like. Now I'll stop back after that's done and we'll get a taste. And there you have it. That's our classic stuffing. Now be careful, this is very hot. You can leave it in the container, the baking casserole. To serve it, we're gonna plate it. And just scoop some of this out. We're gonna pile it nice and high on our serving platter here. And we're gonna get a taste. All right, let's get a bite. Get some of that crunchy top. This is excellent. Nothing beats homemade stuffing. You get the herbs, you get a little sweetness from the onions and the carrots. This pairs well with chicken, turkey, or even pork. If you like what we're doing, you can also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. If you wish to support the channel, stop by our Patreon account. The link is in the description below. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.